Dean McMaster from Clockmills, County Antrim, on a race of Triumph. I've got a motorbike when I was about 3.5 and racing mini motos from when I was 8, so it's like a lifer. Really don't know. Probably God only knows. Just like racing motorbikes, like. Can't say there's a big influence in it. My dad was an Irish dancer, like there's no family ties to it, like. Probably my own Triumph at the minute. It's a wee rocket ship. Crashing, like I'm in agony right now, but it's fun. Generally just a ham and salami bap. Don't eat too big on a race day. Probably the Masters podiums I haven't had a lot, but you know, they're stacking up rightly now. Definitely Ray. He's a Northern Irish man, like you can't not support him. There's a lot of them, like just everybody, to be honest with you. But if they're behind me, I'm happy enough. Ross Patterson, 100%. Just everybody in the super sport and superbike classes are 100%. There's no one person. Everybody's great crack when you get a drink in them. Lorenzo just seems a bit grumpy. Just try and get as high up the championship as I can and just keep chipping away. Try not to crash as much as I am at the minute.